We will always get down, that's for sure.
Yes.
Excuse
Maybe
me.
not quite as fast, maybe not as fast as we want to.
Well, if we go too fast, that was not the plan. So if you're less than 6 minutes, something went wrong. But you can also see we have wheels. We will be touching the walls a little bit. Go through a narrow path here.
I am. Which one is the better side?
Well, it depends on your taste. So all are good, I would say. But then again, I have never seen it.
Oh, that's right, because it's your first day.
As you can see, this is the narrow path of it.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, now we see all the way down.
Wow,
See the
that
path
is
come down there?
outstanding. Look down, Scott.
Yeah, I don't know what they were.
Okay.
Okay. But it's
It
just
is very
deep, it's
shallow,
not
don't
tight.
worry. Felix? Hello?
So this part of the volcano that we're going through now was formed in the eruption itself 4,500 years ago. So this piled up during the eruption and formed this scoria cone you probably saw when you came walking in. But here was the ground level before the eruption took place. So now we start to see different layers of rock of different time, different eruptions. I level the lift a little bit, guys.
Oh, that's interesting because it's at an angle, correct?
Sorry? Yeah.
It's like a geology thing.
Oh no,
It is.
incredible.
What's amazing, why does it keep so cold down there at the bottom?
Because yeah, the thing is, the opening is very small,
Yes.
and the temperature control is controlled by the groundwater. So that's
Okay, I see.
so that varies very little. I mean,
Yes.
now the temperature is about 3.4 degrees Celsius. In late February, it goes down to 2.8, so it fluctuates up very little.
Yes.
So if you look over there, you can see there was another opening through the surface on that side. But that part closed up and the pressure decreased in the chamber. So now we have like a nice chimney going up there. And it's a kind of like a lava fall coming down. And on this side, you can see how the magma has been leaking down the walls and forming, I think, like stalactites and down.
Filma por allá a la izquierda.
I'm trying. I don't have my glasses on, so I hope
I
it's
can
on.
tell you, it looks well.
No, I mean I can see them, but I don't know if it's filming properly.
Ah, I see. Okay. And you can also see how the colors are changing more into orange and yellow, and that's because of sulfur. The red color is because of
Copper.
oxidized iron. No, oxidized
Iron.
iron. Yeah, we don't have much of copper, but you see sometimes green is blue, and that's because of copper.
It is incredible. I don't know if we can see anything up there. No.
So if we watch National Geographic, they'll have an exploration of this particular volcano.
Yeah, so there are quite a few documentaries that have been made here. Geographic. BBC has done a few, and others.
So in the wintertime, it's warmer here than it is
Outside.
outside.
Well, there's no wind too, so. I got second chimney.
Wow.
Okay.